What's up, y'all guys? This is your boy TNT Barbecue with a Southern explosive taste. I'm out here, guys, and I'm doing a cornbread, guys. Yeah, but this is not any kind of cornbread. I'm just gonna go over our ingredients a little bit. I got a flour, I got some cornmeal, I got some sugar, I got some salt, I got some sour cream, I got some jalapenos, I got some mild cheddar cheese, bacon, cream cheese, butter. We looking this cornbread up. This cornbread is gonna be your go-to cornbread for barbecue. You're gonna love this, guys. So I'm gonna bring you in closer and show you what we're putting down, guys, okay? All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to chop up the jalapenos. So just let you know what I'm doing, chopping up jalapenos, and I'm gonna leave some seeds in here, but I'm gonna try to take most of them out. Basically 3 large jalapenos, okay? Without the seeds, you know, we don't want it too hot, but you don't want them where you can't taste the jalapenos at. So this is just how I do my jalapenos. I want to leave some. This is basically going into the corn mixture. All right, I'll bring you out. All right, guys, so I want to start mixing my dry ingredients, okay? So I got a sifter here. So to the sifter, I want to add 3 cups of self-rising flour, okay? Well, if I get it out of the bag. So that'll be 1 cup. That'll be 2 cups. And that'll be 3 cups. So 3 cups of self-rising flour. And you want to sift it, excuse me. To me, when you use a sifter, it makes a better product. Okay, so I got my corn, start with the cornmeal. I got my son over there frying bacon. Thank you, T. So I'm gonna add 3 cups of cornmeal. And I don't think we should sift the cornmeal. So I'm gonna add 1, 2, 3 cups of cornmeal, okay? All right, and then I'm gonna add probably a tablespoon of just regular old kosher sea salt, okay? So I'm gonna put that out of there. Then I'll add a 1/4 cup of sugar. Mixture, I'm adding 8 ounces of cream cheese. Okay, to the cream cheese mixture, I'm going to go ahead and add the jalapenos with some seeds in here. And I'm going to start off with, for the wet ingredients, 1/4 cup of milk. Let me say another 4 cups. So that'll be 1/2 cup of milk. Let's go with almost a cup of milk. And we're going to keep that just in case we're going to add more, okay? And we added 6 cups, so we need to add 3 eggs. For every cup you use, you want to add 3 eggs, okay? So 6 cups, 3 eggs. So every 2 cups, you want to add an egg. So 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs. I had a mishap, so to that I want to add a 1/4 cup. So I'm back. I want to add a 1/4. All right, guys, I want to add a 1/4 cup of oil. To this mixture. And I want to add a quarter oil in my cast iron skillet. So I can start preheating in the oven. I think that's enough. You know? So that's what we're adding in that cast iron skillet. We'll put that in the skillet that go to preheating. And then to that, I'm gonna add 1 stick of butter. Two cups of pre-shredded mild cheddar cheese. Oops. So that's probably a cup and a half. So 2 to 3 cups of mild cheddar cheese, okay? I'm gonna bring you in while we mix this up, okay? I wanna start mixing this. So that's enough right there. You don't want to make it too wet. That's what we looking like. I want to start adding my bacon. So we adding 1 pound of bacon. This was gonna make it so yummy. The bacon. Crispy bacon. So to the pound of bacon, oh, losing everything today. We're going to mix that in. So that's the texture you need, consistency you need with the bacon, milk, everything. So I already got my skillet super hot. And I got oil in here melted down. So to that, I'm going to add my cornbread mixture. To that right there. So add that, I only add that. That's pretty dense cornbread, but this is a very dense recipe. Make sure you get everything in, all the cheese. So I'm going to clean this up and put it in the oven, 350 degrees. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, so put it in a preheated 350 degree oven. And we should be done in probably, I would say, 45 minutes. We're going to check it. All right, guys. TNT, baby. What's up, you guys? This is TNT Barbecue. Man, this cornbread is outstanding. Y'all can see that? I tell you what, I'm finna cut into this right here. Okay, so we're gonna cut into it, get a piece out, and we're gonna go ahead and see what we think about this cornbread, guys. That's a big piece of cornbread. The first thing I smell is jalapeno and bacon. I smell everything. It smells delicious. I'm finna go in and get a taste bread. It smells delicious in here. I can smell the jalapeno for sure. But I'm gonna go in and grab a big piece of bacon, jalapeno, and it's still steaming. I like my cornbread hot. So now, if you like bacon, if you like cornbread, you like jalapeno, you like cheese, please try this recipe. It is delicious. Remember, comment, subscribe, hit that bell down there, notification, let me know all the videos coming out, and thumbs up. This is your boy TNT Barbecue, guys. And this recipe is off the chain. God bless you and God bless America. We out here.